Last week Nothing dropped a teaser hinting at the Ear 3 TWS earbuds launching soon. Now it will happen on April 18th. Nothing launched Ear 3 with 2 new products that reflect the culmination of 3 years of design and innovation. Nothing is using a frog for the Ear 3 mascot, as the teaser video shows it leaping over a beetle, which was coincidentally the Ear 2 mascot. Nothing promises to deliver premium for everyone that isn't about market price. We still don't have any other details for the Nothing Ear 3, so we'll have to wait for more teasers from Nothing to fill us in. We can expect the new earbuds to retain the translucent look of their predecessors. The upcoming Nothing Ear 3 might retain a similar stem-like design as seen on the previous Ear 2 and Ear 1 models. Since these are new, we expect them to bring improved audio drivers and offer longer battery life. They have already received the BIS certification website, indicating the potential launch in India as well. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.